Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating the two activities and their layouts so you can link them immediately. Open Android Studio, add a new empty activity named Second Activity, and confirm the layout file is created. Once done, make sure both activities are declared in Android Manifest. XML, that ensures the system recognizes them. You do this now because without manifest entries, the intents won't resolve. The next steps assume these files exist and are referenced by your Java or Kotlin source. Now add the actual linking code inside your main activity so the UI triggers navigation. Find your button in on Create, set an on-click listener, and construct an intent that names Second Activity. This is how Android routes you to the new screen. If you need to pass data, attach extras to the intent before calling Start Activity. Make sure to use the correct context, use activity, this or this in Kotlin, because an incorrect context leads to runtime failures when starting the activity. Finally, handle the incoming intent in Second Activity and finish navigation cleanly. Read extras using getIntent or intent. Extras so your second screen shows the right data, and if you need to return results, call setResult and finish to send data back. Once implemented, run the app and test flows. Make sure transitions feel natural and that back navigation works. If something goes wrong, check Logcat for missing activity or null pointer exceptions, and verify manifest entries and context usage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.